You're either here to design a logo for yourself or are just interested in this topic. But anyway, my name is Mr. Python. Welcome to the class, and today we'll learn about the principles of a great effective logo. Logos are everywhere in today's world, on products, billboards, marketing campaigns, the list goes on. But what do all these logos have in common? They're all simple. You're right, little fangs. Simple. Simplicity is one of the defining elements of every good logo. For instance, the logo for Apple is just an apple with a bite in it. However, it's also quite important to not oversimplify a logo, that it may lose all its personality, like Burger King and Firefox. Now, let's go on to the next element. Hey little fangs, what type of companies do these logos belong to? Oh, they all come from digital tech companies. Precisely. All these logos are used by various digital tech companies. This leads us into the next element, representation. Your logo must echo what your enterprise represents through design and color. Look at this famous, widely used icon for recycling. It shows us we are reusing things in a cycle through its arrows, and the green represents sustainability. Another one is McDonald's. It uses yellow to represent joyfulness and nostalgia. This is one more crucial aspect of a successful logo. Now, there is one final element that is extremely important. It's utilization. Your logo must be added on a product in a way that it blends with your design, but also is quite noticeable. For instance, the Nike logo and its use on a shoe is just amazing. Another example is Amazon with its arrow/smile, which is iconic and effective. With these simplified steps, you can create an effective logo. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing. It will really support the channel, and it's very easy and it's free. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mr. Python. Have a good day.